Instacart referral code, how to use referral code on Instacart. Now if you wish to use a referral code on Instacart, you have to do that initially during the sign up process when you're creating your account. So whenever you're creating a new account, by tapping the sign up button, and let's say you enter your details and then you enter an account, whatever else it is that you wish to log in with or sign up with, it is during that process that Instacart will ask you if you have any sort of referral code. So right over here, if I go ahead and do that, you can see it will ask me to invite a family along if you have them, but if you already have the code, you will be asked to go ahead and then enter the code right here during the sign up process, and from there on you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter your referral code on Instacart. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.